to a topic debate. The topic is social media harmful? So this is team A, this is team B. You are in favor of yes and you are against the topic. Okay? So you are given a chance to speak on the topic. So let's begin.
Is the network of Israel. So we should have this skill, like we have to use their weapon and themselves. So when we are sharing positive things and we are using this social media for our own purpose, like when we are getting knowledge about Islamic knowledge, and even we are sharing our thing which is opposite to them. So we can use their weapon on themselves. And now if we talk about social media, you said that Google Map or this thing, if we talk about Corona time, so at that time everyone was like in home and people were stuck in their home, but they were using like social media, they were doing job and this thing. If we talk about like social media, the third point is that if we talk about flights, so you can book online, you don't have to go to airport and like some agencies. So these are the advantages of
Their topic is about is social media harmful or not. So we are discovered that social media is harmful. I am justifying my point of view that social media is harmful. So the first point is that most of the students, they spend more time on social media. They can lead to depression and anxiety. And in social media, it can spread misinformation, and there is rumor, news and messages. And due to social media, the face-to-face communication declined day by day, and the love between each other is reduced in all among people. Very good. They can lead to us vision problem as well, and most exposure to lights, due to mobile lights or computer lights, they can lead to blurred vision or as well as eye irritation. Very good. Exposure to more light, and in your child seeing offensive images and messages.
Yes.
So they cannot concentrate their studies, and they do not want to use their books, their dictionaries to see their meanings or etc.
Okay, stop now.
Spend a lot of time on social media can cause cyberbullying because topic is on social media. So my topic is on social media is not harmful. If we want to go anywhere, if we forget place, so we use social media like Google Map. Nowadays many people left. Nowadays many companies left their workers. So people start their job, online job on social media. As Vakas said, social media decrease our self-esteem. If we watch good videos, so our self-esteem will increase.
Very good.
As he said, we not give our time to our families due to social media. So if we are not present with our families, so we spend our time on social media.
Yes. Very good.
Social media is harmful because he is a network of Israel, and I know that Israel is destroying Muslims, and a lot of people spending our time in social media, and Israel, its aim is that destroying Muslims, and Muslims are follow the Israel network.
Fine.
3 points.
And I'm aware.
And Neef says that you forget our place, so Google Map is right way. In past era, Google Map is show wrong way. Like any banned or Google Map.
Very good. Good. 2 points. Good. 2 points.
Social media, because social media has affect our activity, because when someone watch social media, so he cannot to do some activity, so he reduce affect our body also our activity.
Okay.
And the other for example other activities, face-to-face communication, reduce face-to-face communication. Sir gave the
Face-to-face communication. Very good.
For example, when sir gave a lecture, we can ask question about related to our topic. But when we watch videos,
We cannot. Very good. Very good example. Very good example.
Sir, it also spread misinformation. For example, when starting the war of Hamas and Palestinian Israel, so
Yes.
one side social media explains and said that we destroyed Palestine, and the other social media explains we destroyed Israel.
Yes. Finish. Okay.
They said that we save our time to shopping on. We are save our time
By
by shopping online.
Okay.
So if we order one thing, they send us another thing.
Yes, sir.
The second point I would like to say to Sulaiman that we use their weapon to their side by using positive things. So when we use positive things against them, so they blocked our accounts. And sir, in social media, when we saw good things in other people, so we compare ourselves to them, that what they have and what we don't have. So this is the main problem, sir.
Very good.
Sir, and the main thing is that there are many apps in social media. They develop our mind that you invest your money, so you will get more benefits.
Very good.
And this is all about, sir, and all these apps are fraud. Just they
You
are
can earn money.
Just as they are getting our monies and they just doing fraud. Sir, the main problem in social media that teenagers, they are saying that teenagers get information through the social media. So the teenagers don't know that how to use social media, and they don't know about good and bad things. So this is the main problem, sir, and they develop sleep disturbance as well, because they spend more time on social media, and their memory disturbed as well. There is a neurological disorder developed in teenagers as well. They develop anxiety and depression that we are talking about.
Finish. Quiet.
Anything in the world is 100% perfect. Also, anything have negative or positive point. We can reduce the negative point and also maximum the positive point. We talk about the exercise. We get information about the exercise. We can see the video about the exercise. Also, we talk about the communication. We can improve your communication about on social media, on video calls, and repetition.
Okay, more.
Social media also create the world in social village. We can see anything in the world on their home. Google Map also we can see we can search. Your mobile, your laptop, also our environment. We can use it positive or negative. Here depend on our mind.
It depends on our mind. So,
Nowadays, everyone is busy. If someone is busy, they can buy online thing there is no need to go outside, and we can save our time. Yes. And if someone like us live in a hostel or a foreign country, if they feel alone, they can connect through social media with family, and they can reduce isolation. On social media we can advertise our business. They are very good for economics. And if we can feel boring, we can entertain ourselves. And if we can demotivate, we can watch motivative video and motivate video. We can motivate ourselves.
बस कदा बस कदा
And we can aware people through social media from bad things to protect ourselves from these bad things. And spread good things that apply people on their life. And Amazon, lots of people run Amazon, they can improve their economy.
बस कर
Sir, I will speak about student lectures that we can watch from YouTube. Once we start a lecture, watching a lecture from YouTube, after 2 to 3 minutes, we get a new word which distract our mind from lecture to another point.
Very good.
Another point that we say that I always learn from YouTube, but every student cannot learn because he distracted from his point to another point.
Very good, very good.
And another point,
Quiet.
and another point is that social media is destructive because once we prepare our mind for one thing, it distract our mind to another point.
It diverts. Very good. Good.
Sir, through social media like Instagram, Facebook, and other as TikTok, which students and other people use it increase their self-esteem because they use high class and
Okay, they get information through Instagram, through WhatsApp, through many sources of information. These are the sources. Okay. More. Finish.
Assalamu alaikum. Mashallah, you class very important point, but I am totally disagree with you that if we talk about students, so there are so many students they are getting knowledge from social media. They are watching lectures, they are searching in Google. So social media is good for this purpose. Basically, what is social media? Social media is websites and applications that enable people to share their content and to connect with each other.
Yes.
And your second point was that there are so many people they get like bad knowledge and wrong information. So there are so many people and there are like lots of creators they share right information and you get awareness through social media. And the second point is like you say that there are like if we talk about social media, so by social media we are not separating from each other. Like if I talk about myself, so I am so far from my village, but whenever I want to talk with my parents, so I can call them.
Very good.
Yes. And the fourth point is that like if we talk about nowadays, so any person like for example I have some skill, so I can showcase my this skill and I can share on social media. Yes,
Very good.
social media. And the next part is that like if we talk about social media, so even a common person can share his opinions. So it's also like important part about social media. And if we talk, and social media is good also for business. Like for example, how I will arrive to my audience. I will arrive my audience by sharing my product to them. And if we talk about religion, we can know about different culture, social media, and we can protect ourselves from scams.
consider social media can also affect our teenager. They don't know about their aims. They don't know about their aims and they use just a social media. So they can waste their time without any to learn something about social media. Just use watches videos on Facebook and just misinformation mostly. I divert the brain of our children. They can use games, and games is a big platform of social media. So a lot of children, they use PUBG games, and they don't know about their game, but they're just killing someone, killing with each other. They want to this game in our life practically. Sometime and I watched video about the children. They want.
They are tempted.
बस
They are tempted. They applied the thing.
They applied the same thing of the game and real life. So I watched a video about the children. They leave their home for game and go from Lahore to Safar. अभी भी बातें कर रहे सर
Only 3 points. यहाँ से भी शाउट होगा -10 कितने माइनस होगा 7 It's time for the result. Everybody participated very well and everybody spoke very well. First clap for everyone. So the winner of this debate is Team A. Well done, guys. And they also defended very well. Because of their minus points, they lost their points. Otherwise, they would have been winner.
No sir, also
Well done.